So hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So we have here um the Fluid OS. This is Android 11 custom ROM, and I installed this yesterday. If you saw my YouTube story, then that's the time I installed the ROM. So in this video I'm just going to say the bugs and features that I experienced for a very few hours that I'm using in this room. So here we have here actual working capacitive buttons on screen. They also have the physical, and we have here the very few bloatwares. We have the clock, the contacts, the files, the gallery, messaging, phone settings, and also the SIM toolkit. We have no camera here. I think that's because of the Treblo that I use. That is the kernel that I flash, because I tried to flash the H vendor and it doesn't boot the room, guys, when I'm using the H vendor. So actually this is ARM64 AB custom GSI room. So we have no camera here, and also we have no Google application includes in this room. So let's now go into the settings. So we have, as you can see, there is a same setup with the UI interface in this room. So as I said, this is Android 11. So as you can see here, this is now the details. We have the Fluid version 1.1, and it's beautiful. Like, we see the battery capacity, the RAM, and also the resolution. And this is Android 11, everybody. This is Android 11. So that is about the phone. And as you can see, we have here the battery, which is more than 2 days left. I think this is a good battery backup in here. And we have here the notification panel. So what is working here, guys, is the SIM card. SIM cards is working, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, mobile data is also working, and a lot more. So what is the bugs or not working in this room? So first, we have the hotspot. It doesn't work, guys. The Wi-Fi hotspot, it doesn't work in this room. And then the second one, we have the slider. It gets 0 when you set, or it is black when you set to 0. So I think that is because of the Treblo. Because I use the Treblo, and I think that is the bugs of the Treblo. And then the third bug is the offline charging. So this room, guys, it doesn't support offline charging. Again, I think that's because of the Treblo, and I will not recommend this room, guys, to use as a daily driver or use as your daily usage. I'm just reviewing this room, guys, for you to know what is the features and how it looks like. So again, nothing special in this room, and my impression in this room, guys, is it's very smooth and responsive. You can see the responsiveness of the room when I swipe up and down, and also the sounds is working in this room. And what I like is the SIM card is detected, actually, and it looks like a Fluid from the name itself. It's Fluid custom room. And we have here again may mga styles features. Ayan. So nothing much more in this custom room. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also comment your thoughts and suggestion. And guys, I will requesting you to please link the good or the vendor, good vendor for Android 11. Please, can you give me some link in the comments? And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell. So actually, this is the files that I use. Let me see. Oh, I will just link in the description, guys, what are the links or the room links that I use in this video. So see you next video, everybody. Hope you enjoy this video. Take note, I will not recommend this room for daily usage. I'm just reviewing this for you to know what it looks like and what will be the features and bug in this room. So see you next video, guys. Have a good day. Bye.